Hi, I'm Mark Michelson, Editorial Director of Printing Impressions, and I'm here at the 4th Annual Inkjet Summit, and I'm here with Andrew Henkel, who is the VP of Sales at Johnson Quin in Niles, Illinois. Welcome,
right.
Andrew.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
So what have you thought of the Inkjet Summit so far?
I think it's very well organized, very interesting. They have all the sponsors obviously are coming out with great content and just learning a lot. Inkjet is such a core part of our business right now, and we're talking about it more than anything by far, so it's just great to be here and to learn as much as possible.
Right. But now Johnson Quin, I mean, you got into inkjet, what, in the late 70s, early 80s? Or not in inkjet, but in digital printing.
Yeah, so in digital printing, we were one of the first companies in the Midwest to get into laser printing, laser personalization. In 1979, we got into laser printing and really became a direct mail production shop at that point. And then throughout the years, we've done cut sheet and as well as continuous direct mail applications, some transactional, but primarily direct mail.
Right. And in 2014, you installed your first inkjet device.
Correct.
What did you acquire?
So we got the screen Truepress 520ZZ. It's one of the faster devices on the market at about 700, the max speed is 720 feet per minute, so plenty fast.
Right.
We're able to print approximately 1.4 to 1.6 million pieces a day. Those are 8.5 by 11s, duplex, color. And it's been a great experience so far. It's certainly changed the dialogue with our customers and prospects, and it's just really energized our whole company in a lot of ways. You know, we went from an offset environment. We did have some digital, just color digital in the plant, but to go and to be able to produce digitally on a mass scale with large volume programs it's been a great experience.
Right. So. Well, you know, there's obviously many devices out there.
Yes.
What drew you to the screen device, and sort of what was your qualification process in terms of weeding through the different options?
Yeah. So there's, you know, obviously there's a lot of good options out there, and for us, screen was the best for a variety of reasons. One of those was speed. Mm-hmm. You know, their service has been great. Quality is very good, and cost was a big consideration in our decision making.
Right.
And it really just, the screen press, especially the ZZ, fits our customers' expectations with quality, as well as being able to really speed our time to market has been really helpful. To be able to offer, you know, a press that can just get up and with no pre-printed shells, run at 700 or more feet a minute has been amazing. Right.
Well, you know, the word partnership is an often overused word in,
sure,
in a lot of industries, including the printing industry. But what kind of partnership have you had with Screen? I mean, it really goes much more beyond them just coming in and installing the engine and walking away.
Yes, absolutely. So we've had a lot of dialogue with them, both with the Screen Americas in Rolling Meadows, and we've also had a lot of interaction with Japan. Mm-hmm. So their corporate execs have come over and gone through, done a lot of troubleshooting with us, and they've been very responsive to listening to our issues, and then going back, giving us timelines, and coming back with solutions. Sometimes that involves some of their own internal resources. Sometimes that involves getting involved with some of our other vendor partners to integrate the system.
Right. So it's really providing the after-sales support, which which you need.
Yep.
Are they helping on some of the training side too?
Yeah, absolutely. They've been great with on-site support. We visit their facility frequently. If we're in the middle of a run and we need to do some paper profiling, some testing, we're able to use their test machine their demo machine to run some new papers. But yeah, they've been very responsive to our needs.
That's great to hear.
Yeah.
And maybe another inkjet press in your future?
We certainly hope so. My goal is to justify another press by the end of this year. We're getting very close. So if not by the end of this year, certainly the first quarter or two of next year.
Great.
So.
Well, thanks so much for talking to me, Andrew,
well,
and much continued success to Johnson Quin.
Thank you.
Thank you
very
sir.
much.